This is John with Dine Drink Travel and Dine Drink Vegas, giving you a room tour of a King Corner Suite, 37,815 at the semi-remodeled W. You can see brand new carpet, smells like fresh paint. It is the end of June as I check in. So this is the Corner King. As you come into the entryway, one of the things you get with this room is you get a half bath, a water closet if you want to call it that, so that you have a second toilet for, well, let's just say it's nice not to have everything in your main room. Then you step into a big, nice living area. You've got twin lamps. I don't see any outlets for chargers along the lamps. Decent sized TV, lots of connectivity on your work desk. I know from past days that chair is more comfortable than it looks like. Couch is nice too. And then we have a lovely view going back up the strip. This should look great tonight. Maybe I'll add a still photo. So we've got our typical art at the W. Over here we also have our wet bar. Now the only downside of this wet bar is that you are going to get a mini fridge, but you're not going to get a personal fridge. So they will charge you for all of those things, but nothing's free. All right. Coming into the bed area, this is one of the things about this space is you have huge views, and I guess I should have come in and opened these curtains. But you have big wraparound views with these curtains in your master bedroom. So it's a lovely big bedroom space. And again, from the bedroom, we'll be able to see up the strip, lights of the strip coming in our room at night. Really nice layout here. You've got your alarm clock that also has some charging ports, remote for the TV. The TVs are not really huge, but if you came to Vegas for watching TV in your room, I have questions about your light choices. The closet is lovely. You do get towels and robes and slippers, which is nice. And in the master bathroom area, you have a stand-up shower, walk-in shower, really nice. They have now gone to the big bottles of soap and all of that instead of the little bottles. We have, again, another water closet. Really big tub, no jets on it, which would be a nice addition, but a big soaking tub for, two people or one American, and a nice double vanity. So that is the Corner King Suite at the W on June 28th of 2026. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out the Dine Drink Vegas podcast for all your Vegas tips.